I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we are selling an unrestored 1975 Kawasaki Z1900. It's got matching number bikes, or matching number engine and frame. The last digits here are 5107. And on the frame, it's 4998. So that's pretty close. You want to be within 300. The bike is original paint. The meters say 51,000 miles. It's got stock air box. Now the pipes are genuine pipes. However, this pipe here has big letters. The pipe down here has the smaller letters. Then if we come to this side of the bike, one pipe is a 76, and I'm not sure about, I think the bottom pipe is also, not sure, I can't read it from here. But anyway, the bottom pipe is a Z1 pipe, but it's junk. It's got a hole in it, and the other pipes are not perfect. So if you're going to make a really nice bike out of it, the inside of the tank could use a cleanup. You can see it on my hands, there's a little bit of rust here. So I would probably suggest down the road cleaning it up. Now basically what we did was we got it running just to get it running. So this could be an everyday rider, but we're just kind of got it going just for the restoration bike. Now it's got a Dyna Ignition on it, and if you come over here, or you can see the red Taylor wires on it. These are old vintage wiring, and it's got the Dyna with the box on the side. So as you can see, this would be a nice everyday rider. Now to address there's the dust inside the tank, a little kind of rust. We have fuel filters on it just to get it running. We didn't really want to do a whole lot to this, but the carbs have been done, and we replaced some of the gaskets. It's got a brand new Kawasaki sealed battery in it, and basically all the hardware is correct. We're going to adjust this lever here. We'll do that Monday. It's Friday right now. We're going to adjust the lever. It's got the original levers here with the coating on them. A little bit of rust on the headlamp rim. The fork tubes are nice. The tires look like they're new. Little scratches right here on the front fender. This is all original stuff right here. This is a really nice piece. With the exception of the ignition and not all the pipes matching, this is a correct bike. The shocks are reproduction. So it's not the original shocks, but they're pretty close. That's all that's really available nowadays. So now, and the seat also is reproduction. Included with the bike is a genuine Kawasaki Tool Kit. I am missing the screw here for the pliers. I don't know if I have another one or not. I'm going to take a look. If I do, I'll include it. But as it stands, we're going to sell it as is. This is a tool kit with the feeler strip that goes for the points. It's a little bit used, but pretty nice. And then we got the book that's a little weathered. This is the warranty book. And then we have the riding manual, owner's manual. Okay, so it does have the original fuel valve on it. And we're going to start this bike up, see if it runs. Bike's a little warm. Has original black key with a lion's head. honestly, this is Monday. We just got it started, so we want just to get it rolling. So I'm gonna ride it down the driveway a little bit here. Nice bike, perfect frame, no broken fins, all correct bolts. This is a pretty nice bike. This would be a great restoration project without touching the motor. I wouldn't touch the motor. Motor's in good shape. You know, the original paint, a nice paint job would be cool. But this is all pretty nice. Got a little ding in the tank right here. So we're gonna fix this switch right here because kind of once they start getting older, the switch has got a bunch of slop in it. So we're gonna fix this, and then we'll fix up all the small things. But all in all, this is a pretty good. This is a bike that Kenny here did. Kenny, we did all the stuff on this, got it going good, but we wanted to leave it as an unrestored motorcycle. What do you think about this, Kenny? You like this one?
I do like this one. It runs good, rides good.
Okay. Well, we'll be offering it for sale. Low-cost shipping available to the East Coast on Mother's Day weekend. We're going to be going out there with a truck. So if there's any interest, let us know. And thanks a lot for looking at our stuff. A nice, unrestored, matching number bike with a perfect frame. Doesn't get much better than that.